Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody left me a message on my Facebook page and asked, they do a lot of work and they want the page to be yellow or a color at all times and how to set it where they open it. Now, with that said, at the bottom of this video, I'm going to put a link to a video I did 5 years ago. Older versions of Corel are different than this is 2023. Doesn't even show it anymore. But probably older versions, it's a little bit different. That's the only thing that really kind of confuses me sometimes. So you can watch that video and find out where these tools are. But if you go to Tools, Options, Customization, and go right here to basically a document, in the other versions, document is listed in your list. But then go to background, solid color, pick this color. And I would suggest a really light yellow and then say, okay. And you can see it's a white, yellow now. So you'll be able to see, like if we make a circle and fill it in with white, you can't tell it's white, but you can tell it's white now. Now, if you want that to be the way every time, go up to Tools and save Options as default, have everything checked and say, okay. I'm going to open up a new page to give it a test. And it didn't do it, but I almost guarantee you it will work if I shut Corel down, and I'm not going to do that for the video, and I might check it later. But it's in the video that I'm going to list below, it actually shows how to make a macro where you could turn it between yellow and white and back and forth, and you could actually just make it one keystroke to make it work. I'm going to put it back, so I'm going to go to Options, Customization. Now, like I said, in older versions, they're all listed up here, and they've changed this to Document, CorelDraw, and some other customization tools and global. But that looks like a document, and then just say no background and say, okay. I like using a yellow box, and I understand where he's coming from, but I don't want it all the time. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.